Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Ram versus the Defender. We'll explore their key strengths, starting with the Ram's impressive power and utility, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Then, we'll look at the Defender's superior off-road prowess and refined interior, ideal for adventure and comfort. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle best suits your needs, whether it's work or play. The Ram truly shines when it comes to raw power and utility. With engine options like the formidable 6.2-liter supercharged V8, it delivers incredible performance. You can expect a maximum towing capacity well over 12,000 pounds, making it a workhorse for any job. Plus, its spacious bed and comfortable cabin ensure you can haul gear and passengers with ease. Conversely, the Defender is engineered for adventure and refined comfort. It comes equipped with advanced four-wheel drive systems, ready to conquer any challenging terrain. Its adaptable air suspension can provide an impressive ground clearance of up to 11.5 inches. Inside, you'll find a blend of rugged durability and luxurious materials, making every journey both exciting and comfortable. Deciding between these two depends entirely on your lifestyle. If your priority is heavy-duty towing, hauling, and a powerful workhorse, the Ram is likely your best bet. However, if you seek unparalleled off-road capability combined with a luxurious and comfortable ride for adventure, the Defender stands out. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.